Here, I cannot. My hair almost dry. I'm confused कि मुझे कर्ल करना चाहिए या नहीं. I love curly hairs. Curly से भी ज़्यादा like wavy hairs a lot. So this is my technique to do the wavy hairs. आपको बस गीला करके उसको ऐसे ऐसे करना है. And थोड़े बाल see like this. It will be like this. You won't need any curler machine. I need to change my eye color as well, and I'm planning to do that very soon. You're really hot today. I'm always hot, Sumit. I'm always hot. It's just depends, whether I want to show you, whether I want to be hotter or not. Like, I always try to be hot. Sometimes less hot, sometimes more hot. Like that, It's 10:17 already, guys. Any more questions? Do jumping for 5 times. I can't do that. I can't do that here. I don't do that here on Instagram. No. सुंदरता हमेशा कवर ही अच्छी लगती है. Who said that? अगर वो कवर होगी तो दिखेगी कैसे? And like if you have a good body, then obviously you will show off. Like if you're purchasing a car, a good car, so definitely you're gonna show off, right? Show it off. Otherwise, what's the point? So body is like that only. If you're working hard and you have a good body, good genetics, then you should show off, It's a water, guys. It's a water. हिंदी आती है मुझे, बट चलो हिंदी में बात करते हैं. आई एम बेसिकली गुजराती, गाइज. आई डोंट नो कितने लोगों को पता है, बट आई एम अ गुजराती और मुझे गुजराती भी आती है बिकॉज मैं घर पे गुजराती ही बोलती हूँ. बट मुझे ऐसे बाहर या इंस्टाग्राम पे बोलने पे मुझे थोड़ा सा ऑकवर्ड फील होता है ना, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई डोंट स्पीक. Come to London. I'll plan soon. Thanks, Sandy. What's your bra size? Why this question? I mean, इतने ज़्यादा ही question आ रहे हैं like. क्या करोगे आप जान के? And I always wear like different, sizes, so it's not always the same. Your face is very beautiful. Thanks, Singh. The bathrobe is disturbing. I know. It's a huge. I forgot to bring my own robe, So I have to wear this. I mean, hotel wala bathtub. Bathrobe. ऐप पर सेम नहीं होता है. I already showed my outfit, like what I'm gonna wear. This is what I'm going to wear on my app. It's a lingerie. One last time I'm gonna show you guys. It's kind of see-through and one of the hottest lingeries I have. It's new. You can see tag अभी तक लगा हुआ है. So I never repeat my outfits on my. So ऐसा कुछ है ये. It's totally see-through and this is a thong. इसके नीचे this is a set. This is the outfit for tonight's tonight's live streaming, guys. And the live starts at 11:15, guys. 11:15. So don't miss. Should I curl my hair? Thoda sa I'm gonna try. So I'm getting ready for my live stream only, guys. And you all know कि मैं हमेशा मेरे ऐप लाइव से पहले इंस्टाग्राम पे लाइव आती हूँ. Can you flex your gym body? So basically I don't have that much of muscles, you know, कि मैं flex कर पाऊँ. Honestly, I'm being honest because I'm little, you know, I'm thick, you know, I'm not lean. I don't have lean muscle mass. I have a thick body, you know. So definitely I can't flex. Flex करने पे भी उतना नहीं दिखेगा because if I want to flex, I have to get lean, you know. I watched your cake sitting live. That one was iconic. Expecting like that lives. Like you guys can suggest me, right? वो मैंने मेरे बर्थडे पे किया था वो लाइव on my 25th birthday. हर बार केक लेके लाइव नहीं कर सकती ना. But yeah, on my upcoming birthday, I will try to do that. Or even before that, if you guys are expecting, then you can also suggest, you know. You can comment on my app. You can also DM me ki what theme you want next, because I always try to take suggestions, you know. That is one of my hottest live. I mean, my all lives are hot. किसी को साड़ी वाले lives पसंद है, किसी को lingeries. Like everyone have different choices and preferences, so can't do anything. I mean, you can still purchase. If you miss that live, I have already posted. आप देख सकते हो. Last year में होगा feed 1, feed 2. तो गर्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. Why? What's wrong, man? अभी तो गर्म नहीं हुआ है. वैसे जस्ट ऊपर से try to curl. Let's see. Okay, finally धीरे धीरे हो रहा है. थोड़ा और इसको गर्म होने देती हूँ. ऐप मेरे खुद के नाम पे, guys. अभी तक आप लोगों को नहीं पता चला है that my app is on my own name. That's a shame. You are not a true fan then, if you don't know. Why don't you start creating OnlyFans content? Have you ever thought? What do you mean when you say OnlyFans content? Like, can you please elaborate? Because people do a lot of things on OnlyFans. You know, there are good content creators as well. They post like good stuff as well. Some post adult stuff as well. So it's not like he OnlyFans ka content he karwa, because like there are a lot of things, you know, on OnlyFans. You have to be Pacific. ऊपर से I'll try to do little bit. अरे रे, I was planning to wear a black lingerie, but then I thought कि black में मैंने already cosplay किया था, cosplay live, so similar हो जाएगा. मैंने baby blue color आज तक नहीं पहना, so I wanted to try the baby blue, you know. हाँ, रेड बेस्ट है. रेड इज ऑल्सो गुड. Red is special for sure, and red always looks good. अरे अजीब से हो गए थोड़े से. Which color do you like the most in undergarments? What kind of question is this? I like all. Black is the most common, so black. I like black and baby blue हो गया. Pink, I don't like pink much. Different grey हो गया, dark grey हो गया, navy blue हो गया, like that. Any color, like even it's not about undergarments only, but I'm talking about any outfit color as well, you know. I'm just trying to do ऊपर से curls. Don't worry, we can't see anything. What is your favorite color? So, as I told you, my favorite color, like जो मुझे लगता है मेरे पे बहुत सूट होता है, is navy blue. One of my favorite. I love navy blue. It looks so good. And then burgundy, you know. This both color combination is amazing. Then olive. I like olive a lot. So ये 3 कलर है. उसके अलावा yeah, these 3 are my favorite, all time favorite. मतलब ऐसा कभी होगा नहीं या हुआ नहीं कि ये कलर्स मेरे पे सूट ना हो, you know. Maroon, I don't have much outfits in maroon, to be honest. I love, like, although I love maroon, but I don't have maroon lingerie. Like, मैंने एक बार ट्राई किया था पर उसका डिजाइन इतना अच्छा नहीं था. It wasn't so good, you know.